The Metaverse is a revolutionary new platform that has the power to transform the way we interact, entertain and work. So, come and join us in the Metaverse and see for yourself the endless possibilities that await you. Welcome to the Metaverse, a place where imagination and technology come together to create an entirely new world. Imagine a place where you can be whoever you want to be, where you can explore new worlds, meet new people and immerse yourself in endless possibilities. It all starts with a simple login. As soon as you enter the Metaverse, you find yourself in a bustling virtual city. You can see people from all over the world, walking around, chatting and having fun. You feel a sense of belonging, knowing that you're part of something much larger than yourself. As you explore the city, you come across a group of people gathered around a virtual stage. Intrigued, you walk over to see what's going on. Suddenly, you find yourself watching a live concert, with people from all over the world singing and dancing together in perfect harmony. The music is vibrant and alive, and you can't help but join in the fun. As the concert ends, you decide to explore more of the Metaverse. You come across a virtual arcade where you meet a group of friends and play the latest VR games. You feel the rush of adrenaline as you race through a virtual world, competing with players from all over the world. As the day comes to an end, you log off feeling invigorated and excited for your next visit to the Metaverse. The possibilities of what you can do and where you can go are endless. You realize that the Metaverse has opened up a whole new world of socializing, entertainment, and collaboration. But the Metaverse isn't just for fun and games. It's also a place where businesses can interact with customers and market their products in new and innovative ways. The Metaverse is creating new jobs and industries in fields such as virtual reality, game development, and digital art. The Metaverse is a revolutionary new platform that has the power to transform the way we interact, entertain and work. So, come and join us in the Metaverse and see for yourself the endless possibilities that await you. What do you need to join? 1. A device. You will need a device that is capable of running virtual reality or augmented reality software, such as a VR headset, AR glasses or a high-end smartphone. 2. An internet connection. Joining the Metaverse requires a stable internet connection to ensure smooth and seamless interaction with the virtual world. 3. Software. The Metaverse is a collection of different virtual worlds, each with its own software. You will need to download and install the software specific to the virtual world you wish to join. 4. An account. Many virtual worlds within the Metaverse will require you to create an account to access their content and features. Some virtual worlds within the Metaverse are free to join and others require payment to access their features, so you may want to consider the costs before joining. It's worth noting that the Metaverse is still a developing technology, so the requirements to join may change over time as the technology improves and evolves. Also, the Metaverse is not a single entity but rather a collection of different virtual worlds, so the requirement may vary depending on which virtual world you want to join.